I'm sure you've had radish in so many forms. Mooli ka parantha, or maybe mooli ki bhurji, or a stew, or maybe a pickle also. Here, today what I'm cooking is called Mooli Ki Thichwani. And you know what is interesting about this? Of course, the process and the clean flavors of this dish all the way coming from Uttarakhand. So let's get started. I've already peeled the radish. Now I'm going to cut it into cube-sized pieces, but make sure that they are not too big in size. So now it's time to make the Mooli Thechwa. But if you don't have this mortar and pestle, please don't worry. I'm sure you all have a rolling pin in your kitchen. So you can use the rolling pin to actually do the Thechwa of the Mooli. Well, now it all depends on you that how big or coarsely you want your radish to be done. Our radish has already been coarsely grounded, as you can see, and this process is called Thechwa. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and let it heat till the smoking point. We are going to start with dry red chilies. Now I'm going to add jhakia. This can be replaced with mustard seeds. I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Now we are going to add 2 to 3 fine chopped tomatoes. It's time to add some red chili powder for that nice color. Of course, turmeric powder, salt according to the taste. We will give this a good mix. We will stir it for some time till the time you see this oil coming on the side. This is a sign that this is ready and it's time to add the radish. Now we will add some water. Trust me, my kitchen is smelling so divine. And this recipe is ready. But of course, you all are waiting for the TheSherieTake. Well, my take on this amazing recipe is so simple. Here we are with the boiled potatoes. Yes, boiled potatoes. And see what I'm going to do. These boiled potatoes will give body to this recipe and of course balance the dish very well. It's time to add some fresh coriander leaves. So our hot and piping Mooli Ki Thichwani is ready to relish with ragi roti, also known as mandoi ki roti in Uttarakhand. Well, you are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried. This is Chef Sherie signing off for now.